Everyone, today's topic is capsicum cultivation. Capsicum, also known as bell pepper or sweet pepper, and in Hindi it is called Simla mirch, and scientifically Capsicum annuum variety grossum group, is a popular vegetable in India. Sweet pepper doesn't contain capsaicin, so the group has become an important green vegetable crop globally. It is basically a temperate crop and prefers relatively low temperatures for fruit set and fruit development. The color development, yellow, red, in fruit also occurs under low temperature. It grows well in summer season in hills and cooler season in the plains. Sikkim possesses suitable climatic conditions for round the year cultivation of capsicum and under protected conditions during rainy season. Nutritive value of capsicum. Sweet peppers are good sources of vitamin C. In fact, they have twice the amount of vitamin C by weight than citrus fruits. The vitamin C acts as an antioxidant that may be effective in preventing certain cancers. Site and soil for capsicum cultivation. The site for protected cultivation should be accessible, sunny, with no water logging. It can be cultivated in wide range of soils, but sandy loam with a pH of 5.5 to 6.8 is ideal. Water stagnation is detrimental to the crop. High acid soils need to be reclaimed using dolomite or limestone before using it as for cultivation. Climatic requirement. Capsicum prefers moderately low temperatures and dry season. Seed germinates best at the temperature range from 20 to 25 degrees centigrade and grows best at 18 to 25 degrees centigrade. Average daily temperatures of 20 to 25 degrees centigrade are optimum for fruit setting. The fruits of sweet pepper are subjected to sun scald at high temperatures and intense sunshine. Nursery management. Seeds are sown in raised beds under protected structures about 28 to 30 days before planting. The average seed rate is 250 to 300 gram per hectare. Seeds are sown with a row spacing of 15 cm and seed spacing of 0.5 cm. Before sowing, the prepared beds should be drenched with trichoderma plus pseudomonas culture at the rate of 2% to manage damping up, which is a nursery disease caused by so many soil-borne pathogens like Phytophthora, Fusarium, Rhizoctonia, Pythium, etc. Varieties. Open pollinated varieties are Arka Mohini, Arka Gaurav, Arka Bashan, California Bandar, and Pusa Deepti. While Bharat Indra, Sun 1090, and Green Gold are popular hybrids, these are generally in cultivation in India. Protected structures. The protected structures may be high cost or low cost polyhouse, net house, tunnels, etc. A partially ventilated low cost polyhouse with both polythene and agro-shade net may be suitable for its cultivation, that is shade net house. Now, planting. The optimum spacing for capsicum is 60 centimeter into 70 centimeter. Planting should be preferably done on a raised bed and in pit size of 15 to 20 centimeter. Before planting, the seedlings should be dipped for 15 minutes in trichoderma plus pseudomonas culture at the rate of 10% to manage wilt problems. Nutrient management. FOM should be applied at the rate of 5 kg per square meter along with neem cake and at the rate of 200 gram per square meter. At the time of planting, seedlings should be treated with azospirillum plus PSP culture 20% for 15 minutes. The addition of vermicompost at the rate of 1 kg per square meter after 1 month of planting improves growth, and it will be very beneficial for the growth and development of the plants. The nutrients should be properly managed as deficiency causes poor fruit development and fruit size. So you should be cautious regarding application of respective nutrients in the soil. Interculture and irrigation. Light earthing up should be done after 30 days and 45 days of planting. Good quality water should be applied at weekly interval. The plants should be provided with stakes to prevent lodging. Now we discuss diseases. First one is bacterial wilt. Wilt is the most devastating disease caused by soil-borne bacteria. It infects and destroys the plants by wilting them. Its infection is most rapid in waterlogged condition. Management. Soil drenching with Pseudomonas culture at the rate of 2% before planting. Soil drenching with Bordeaux mixture 1/100 after 15 days of planting. Now leaf spot. It is one of the important disease which causes severe damage by dropping leaves and fruits. It is caused by Cercospora and Collodendron is fungal species. Management. Removal and burning of affected leaves. Spraying with Bordeaux mixture 1/100 after 15 days of planting. Leaf curl. Leaf curl and mosaic are the most common viral diseases of capsicum. Management. Cultivation of resistant variety. Removal and destruction of affected plants. Now insects. Fruit borer. Fruit borer Spermdatera is most important pest of capsicum. It causes serious damage during the fruit development stage. The larva feeds on the pulp by making hole. The infested fruit becomes unfit for consumption. Management. Application of NPB at the rate of 0.5 ml per liter 15 days of fruit set. Regular monitoring, collection and destruction of eggs, larvae and adults. Spraying of neem-based products. Yield. The average yield of capsicum under protected condition may vary 1 to 1.5 kg per plant, with the fruit number of 20 to 30 per plant and fruit weight of 40 to 50 gram. Thank you for patience.